inside the concrete of the Hoover Dam. Take it for what it's worth. Now, a lot of people, a lot of men have given their lives to the Hoover Dam. Building the Hoover Dam was a surveyor in 1922. He slipped off of Thanksgiving, Christmas, and 4th of July. Now, they work in, you will never see another government project on budget. The Hoover Dam was made under budget, a little under $50 million. You'll never see this again. You'll never see this work in the United States again. These men were truly extraordinary. Now,